Hello everyone. Today my friend here, Fiona, that some of you will know, she helps me with when I'm singing, and she's got her own song. It's called Fiona the Fish. Fiona is very special because Fiona has a very, very ticklish tail. Would you like to hear my song? Perhaps you could join in with us, especially the end bit. The end bit just goes, Fiona. Shall we try that again? Fiona. We might do it in a different voice. Maybe we could make a quiet voice. Fiona. Or maybe we could make a louder voice. Fiona. You could practice lots of different Fiona voices. You might have a different name for a fish or another animal. This is Fiona's song. It goes like this. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. Her name is Fiona. Shall we try that again? You can do it quietly this time. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. Her name is Fiona. Shall we do it louder this time? Are you ready? You could move your hand like this as a fish. You could make it go Fiona. Shall we try? Off we go. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. Her name is Fiona. If you haven't got a fish puppet, and I'm guessing that quite a lot of you perhaps haven't got a fish puppet, you could make your own Fiona the Fish with some card. This is one I made earlier. So all you need to do is get some card, draw a fishy shape. It doesn't have to be the same shape as mine. It could be a jellyfish. It could be a square fish. It could be any shaped fish that you like. Then you might need a bit of help. Perhaps some of your family could help you make fishes. You could have lots of fishes. So I've decorated mine with some sticky stars and some sticky rainbows. And I've used some felt tip pens. But you could use anything. You could paint it. You could use crayons. Whatever. Then I have some help with a hole punch. I put some holes in Fiona the Fish's tail. And then I put some wool through the holes and tied it into a knot. So it's got a ticklish tail. You could use ribbon or wool or string, anything really that would sort of make a tickly feeling. And then I've put some sellotape across the knots just to make sure that it doesn't come apart. And then the last thing I did was I stuck it onto a lollipop stick. And now I've got another fish with a ticklish tail. Shall we get both of my fish? They can have a tickling fight. Are you ready? I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. I've got a fish with a ticklish tail. Her name is Fiona. You might want to give your fish a different name. It might be a fish called Fred or a fish called Peter. Doesn't really matter. Hope you enjoy making fish. Have fun. See you next time.